years old, and today I am going to be showing you how to make 2 cardboard slippers. The stuff you need is some cardboard, a cardboard box, any box, some stapler or sticky tape, but I use staple, and some scissors. First, we're going to be seeing the size of our foot, so put our leg here, and if you can't remember the size, you can just trace it. And when you're done tracing it or not tracing it, you can get the box and just cut out that. I'm going to be starting to cut right now. You can just cut like an oval. And then when you're at the top, just curve it like that. Like just curve. Okay, I made my cardboard like thick. So before you do the other steps, check if it fits you, and if it's bigger, that's okay. Okay, I got mine, and now if you want to do some touch-ups, you can do that. Okay, so now we're going to get our cardboard box, and now we can do it. If it has these other things inside, like this, if it's all together in a bunch, you can take that out like that. And now we're gonna do a straight line up to about here. So I'm gonna cut up to this. And then when you're done cutting up to there, you have to do another line just next to it and up to the same spot. Okay. So I'm done with that. This is a straight line I made. And now we're gonna put this right at the top here. So we're gonna bend it a little on both sides, like that. And then now you're gonna be needing a staple or sticky tape. Okay, so we're gonna put it right first. Look at your feet and which way your thumb on your leg is. And then you have to put that on just on the side where your thumb is. Like this. Wait. Like that. Something like that. Okay, now we have to do that and staple it. So I'm stapling it right now. And it has to be curved. But if you didn't put the cardboard in, just staple it again. Or put sticky tape on it again. Okay, staple that on right there. Now I have to staple it again. On there, like that. Okay. So I made that right there. And then you can see if it fits your leg. It fits me. One more check. But if it breaks, just staple it or put more sticky tape. Okay, that fits me. Now, we're going to get back our box. And we're going to cut a bigger line that we done. So, a much longer one. So, I'm going to do up to here. To maybe up to here. Right there. So, I'm going to cut. I'm done cutting that line and do another line right next to it. Okay, and when you're done that, you can just cut off the top. And I got my long piece. Now with this long piece, we're going to do this. Just curve it a little, like that. And then, like, fold it on both sides. Not very big, a little, like, small. Okay, so when you're done that, you do this. So it's like the same thing, but you're just putting it straight like that. And then you can staple it or put sticky tape. Now I'm going to staple it. Done. Now staple the other side. Okay, stapled it. Now I'm going to do the other side. So I made that right there. Now you have to check for if it's good. So I made that, and that's our cardboard slipper. And if you want to make another one, just copy the steps that I just done. But when it's the other foot, you have to put it on the opposite side for here, but then do the same here. So bye!